Look at all the water coming out of there, Danny.
Yeah. What? Like this?
Yeah, show how high it goes.
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Oh yeah.
You didn't say you were at the cottage.
We're at the cottage in Sheet Harbor, Nova Scotia.
That's my phone?
No, it's my phone. We're recording the fire. Joey just put like a huge Christmas tree type tree on the fire. You should throw another great big one on there. You okay? Joey's throwing another branch on there. You can see the smoke. Look at that, Etienne. Is he out there? Etienne, come see.
It is pretty, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Did you hear him?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it was awesome.
Make sure he comes around this side. Over here where there's no sparks. On this side, Etienne, where there's no sparks, okay? Don't put it in the fire. Let Rajon show you.
A little closer. A little closer. Put a nice slow burn there for a little charred roast. Right. Hold it up. Yep, turn it. Turn it. Yeah, right there. Turn it real good. Yeah, try biting.
Hey, let it cool off.
Little bite.
Just little nibbles. Good?
Here, bite right there.
I don't like this part.
Don't worry about that.
Just take the burnt part off.
It's not actually that bad when it's burned. Something about the taste.
You eat that one. There you go.
Here, eat right there. It's all melted. What does that taste like?
They good? Is that yummy? It's good, huh?
Yeah.
Go with Uncle Rajon.
Yeah.
You're fanning the fire?
Mm-hmm. That left side was the wettest side.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to get it going and dry it out.
I think I'm going to roast a weenie here in a minute. You going to roast another marshmallow, Etienne? That one's already roasted. You don't need to roast it again.
I want to roast it all by myself.
Okay, well, go ahead and roast it all by yourself.
You can't eat that one now, son.
It's got twigs and stuff on it. Go tell that one to raise on. You roasted that one all by yourself for sure.
I'm not taking that one.
That one's seen better days. You can't eat that. Throw it in the fire. Throw that. It's a stick. It's a twig. Watch out. You got sparks flying out. Come on. Back up, Etienne.
Can I do that, Daddy?
He's just fanning the fire so that it'll get heat.
Jeez, look, the thing's smoking.
Whew. Hey.
Did it come out?
Yeah, oh yeah.
No.
It's video. Sorry. Didn't mean to. What am I sitting on?
That thing is bright.
Yeah, it's a flashlight too.
Holy shit.
What? Huh.
I'm gonna put my beers in the freezer.
Oh yeah. It's a flash. We'll take some.
What's too close to the fire?
What?
It's marshmallow.
Oh, I know.
You just put it close to the coal, not the fire, and you turn it.
I know that.
It'll turn brown.
He just needs practice.
First time ever roasting marshmallow.
He didn't do too bad. The door don't shut so good.
See your fire?
Hmm?
It's the end thing of the fire out there. You like it?
He loves it. Hi, Fog. Hey, Foggy.
Ah. You know what, right now I can
Hey, puppy.
you right out of
Pretty much.
well, what are you gonna go? Like mine, I just charged mine yesterday. Cool.
This is where me and Daddy are going to sleep tonight. This was my old room when I was little. And the light doesn't work. This is where my brothers used to sleep when they were little. In these bunk beds. Here's the wood stove.
Trying to shape the bedrooms in.
They need to be dressed.
No, I mean
They look okay.
because I didn't raise on vacuum the last time he was down.
Yeah, no, they look good as far as like everything, you know.
Well, the fish getting cold.
Well, that's good. bathroom. And this is how you lock it. There's the shower.